BMR, or basal metabolic rate, is the amount of energy your body needs to function at rest. It's the number of calories your body needs to maintain basic bodily functions like breathing, circulation, and cell production. Knowing your BMR can be a useful tool in weight loss, as it can help you determine how many calories you need to consume to maintain, lose, or gain weight. Calculating your BMR involves a few different factors, including your age, gender, weight, and height. The most common formula used to calculate BMR is the Harris-Benedict equation. For men, the formula is BMR equals 88.362 plus 13.397 x weight in kilogram, 4.799 height in centimeter, 5.677 age in years. For women, the formula is BMR 447.593 plus 9.247 x weight in g, 3.098, and height is 4330 x age in years. Once you have calculated your BMR, you can use it to determine your total daily energy expenditure, TDEE, which is the total number of calories you burn in a day. To calculate your TDEE, you need to multiply your BMR by an activity factor that represents your level of physical activity. The activity factors range from 1.2, sedentary, to 1.9, very active. To lose weight, you need to create a calorie deficit, which means consuming fewer calories than your TDEE. A safe and sustainable rate of weight loss is about 1 to 2 pounds per week, which requires a calorie deficit of about 500 to 1,000 calories per day. You can achieve this deficit by reducing your calorie intake, increasing your physical activity, or a combination of both. It's important to remember that weight loss is not just about calories in versus calories out. The quality of the calories you consume also plays a significant role in your overall health and weight loss success. Focus on eating a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. In addition to monitoring your calorie intake, it's also essential to pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues. Eating mindfully and listening to your body's signals can help you avoid overeating and make healthier food choices. Remember that weight loss is a journey, and it's essential to be patient and kind to yourself along the way. Incorporating regular physical activity into your routine can also help you achieve your weight loss goals. Exercise not only burns calories, but also helps build muscle, improve metabolism, and boost overall health. Aim for a combination of cardiovascular exercise, strength training, and flexibility exercises to maximize your results. Tracking your progress is another essential aspect of weight loss. Keep a food diary, track your workouts, and monitor your weight and measurements regularly to stay accountable and motivated. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, and learn from any setbacks or challenges you encounter. Remember that weight loss is a personal journey, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's essential to find a plan that fits your lifestyle, preferences, and goals. Consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian if you need personalized guidance and support. By understanding and using your BMR for weight loss, you can create a sustainable plan that helps you reach your goals and improve your overall health and well-being. Stay committed, stay consistent, and believe in yourself. You've got this.